Hello everyone, welcome back to Beyond Semicolon 100 Programs in C series. In this video, we will see a very simple program to find maximum and minimum elements in an array. Before we start, here's a small reminder. Rather than reading only theory or trying to memorize the definitions, spend your time understanding and tracing the program line by line. When you practice enough, the concepts will automatically make sense. Don't by heart the code, understand the flow. Let's recall what an array is. An array is a collection of elements of the same data type stored in the contiguous memory locations. We can access the elements using an index value starting from 0. Now, to find the maximum and minimum, we simply compare each element with the current maximum and minimum value. So what is the current maximum and minimum value? Assume that the first element has both maximum and minimum. That means a variable maximum holds array of 0, that is nothing but 10, and a variable minimum is assigned with a value array of 0, 10. Initially, both minimum and maximum value is the first element of the array. Afterwards, we will be comparing every element and we keep updating the maximum and minimum value till end of the array. Let us consider if, look at the logic first, then we will understand the program. If array of 1 is greater than maximum. Currently the maximum value is 10 and array 1 element is 5. 5 greater than 10, the condition failed. The next condition we are having is array of 1 is less than minimum value. Array of 1 value 5 less than minimum value is 10. The condition is true. So what we do, immediately we update the minimum value with array of 1, that is 5. Next we will be checking with the second element. Array of 2 is greater than maximum. The array of 2 element is 25. 25 greater than max element is 10. 25 greater than 10 is correct. So we update the value 10 to 25. Next, third index element, array of 3 is greater than maximum. Array of 3 is 3 greater than maximum value is 25, the condition failed. Next, array of 3 is less than minimum. Array of 3 element is 3 less than minimum value is 5. 3 less than 5, condition is true, we update the value with 3. And the last element in the array of 4 is greater than maximum. Maximum is 25. Array of 4 is 15. 15 greater than 25, the condition failed. Array of 4 less than 25. Array of 4 is 15 less than minimum value. So minimum value is, it's not 25 here. Minimum value is 3 less than 3. The condition failed. So both the condition failed, and finally we print maximum element is 25, minimum element is 3. So the same logic what I have explained is here. Let's look at the tracing part quickly. If you observe fourth statement, int n, so a memory block is allocated to n, I that holds another integer value. Fifth statement is printing enter the number of elements that you want to store. And sixth element scanf, consider you are giving 5 as the input, so n value is updated to, this is 5, that is n is equal to 5. Then looking at the 8th statement, an array of 5, that means an array with 5 elements is initialized with the index 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. And in the 10th statement we are taking input from the user to fill the array. So let's be little quick here. I is equal to 0, 0 less than n, that is 5. It enters into the loop, gets the input from the user. Consider like array of 0. If at all user is giving input 10, that will be loaded over there. Then 0 plus plus, I value is updated to 1. I is equal to 1. 1 less than 5, condition is true. It enters into the loop, array of 1. Consider user is giving input as 5, then updates the I value 1 plus plus, 10th statement I is equal to 2, 2 less than 5, the condition is true, enters into the loop, array of 2, if user gives the value 25 gets updated, 2 plus plus, then I is equal to 3, 3 less than 5, the condition is true, enters into the loop. A of 3, consider user is giving input 3, then increments the value 3 plus plus 10, I is equal to 4, 4 less than 5, array of, condition is true, array of 4, consider updated the value 35, updates the value 4 plus plus, and I is equal to 5, 5 less than 5, condition failed. It exits this for loop where it takes the input from the user. Next important step, as we discussed the logic previously, max is equal to array of 0, that is 10, minimum is equal to array of 0, that is 10. You know how this logic works, but quickly I will demonstrate one more time. In the 16th step, I is equal to 1, 1 less than 5. What we are doing here, array of 1 is greater than maximum 10, that is 5 greater than 10, condition failed. We are checking array of 1 less than minimum value is also 10, 5 less than 10, then we have written a condition here, minimum is equal to array of I. So currently array of I is 5, 10 value is updated to 5. Then from here it increments 1 plus plus, that is I is equal to 2, 2 less than 5, condition is true, array of 2 greater than maximum value. Currently maximum value is 10, A of 2 is 25, 25 greater than 10, condition is true. So what we do, we update the maximum value with the current array element, that is 25, and checks with the condition array of 2. Of course, if at all you are using else if statement here, then only this part will execute and the next part will not get executed. Array of 2 less than minimum value is 5, the condition fails, and goes back here, that is 2 plus plus. In the 16th statement, I is equal to 3, 3 less than 5, the condition is true, enters into the loop. A of 3, currently A of 3 element is 3, 3 greater than maximum value is 25, 25, the condition failed. Then A of 3, array of 3 is 3 less than minimum, current minimum value is 5, the condition is true, so we have to update the minimum value to 3, current minimum value is 3. From here updates the I value 3 plus plus, I is equal to 4, 4 less than 5, array of 4 element is 35, 35 greater than maximum value, current maximum value is 25, so 35 is greater than 25, the condition is true, so max will be assigned with the current element, that is 35. And one more condition is here, array of current element is 35 less than minimum value 3, the condition fails, and goes back here I plus plus, that is 4 plus plus. In the 16th statement, I is equal to 5, 5 less than 5, the condition fails. Then there exits the for loop. Print maximum and minimum value. Currently the maximum is holding 35, so max value is 35 and minimum value is 3 printed on the screen, and it returns 0. Since main function is int type, it is returning 0. It should return an integer value, so it is returning 0. If you want to know more about the functions, there are separate videos available and examples traced step by step. Follow those videos. Thank you. Have a nice day.